Welcome back to Sonal's food channel. If you like my recipes, do like, subscribe, share and leave your feedback. It's month of January and upcoming is the first festival of the year, Makar Sankranti. So let's make some Tilgul Chikki or Tilgul Patti today. For this we'll need 1 1/4 cup of jaggery, 3/4 cup white til or sesame seeds, 1/4 cup peanuts roasted, peeled and crushed into coarse pieces, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Let's begin by prepping up a plate or a flat surface on which we'll spread the mixture once it's ready. So I've taken here a flat plate upside down and covered it with some plastic sheet. Then brush some ghee all over it and keep it aside until we cook the mixture. Now heat up a pan on a low to medium heat, add til or sesame seeds and roast these with continuous stir for about 1 to 2 minutes or until they are slight golden and starts releasing the aroma. Do not stop stirring as it burns very fast and then it will ruin the taste completely. After 2 minutes, the til have roasted evenly. Remove them in a plate and keep aside. Now in the same pan on a low flame itself, add the jaggery and about 1 tablespoon of ghee and let the jaggery melt. While the jaggery is melting, take a small bowl of water and keep it ready for tasting the jaggery mixture. Keep stirring continuously. Now the jaggery mixture has melted and started bubbling. So we'll go ahead and check its consistency in a few seconds. For this, drop some of the mixture in water which we had taken in a bowl, and after just a couple of seconds check its consistency by pulling the mixture apart as I am showing here. As we can see, the jaggery is still very elastic and soft, which means it is not yet ready and is not like a chikki. So check after every few seconds and repeat the same process until the jaggery attains the consistency like when it's little stiff and has got chikki like consistency and is difficult to pull apart. So I'm checking it the third time, and also you can see when I drop the jaggery this time, it sets as a small ball in the bowl of water, which is also another indication that it is ready. So this is how the jaggery should be, that it's little stiff to pull apart. Now you have to be really quick. Add the til, the peanuts and give it a gentle mix. You can turn off the gas at this point because we don't want to burn this mixture at all. And remember, do not add any water in this mixture because it will then lose its chikki crispy consistency and become soft. So now the mixture is ready. Let's pour this mixture on the greased plate which we have covered with a plastic sheet and some ghee. So you have to pour this mixture while it is hot, then cover it up with another piece of plastic sheet. Press down with your hands while the mixture is still hot, or you can also use a flat spatula. Spread it until you have the desired thickness and then let it cool for a couple of minutes. Now remove the plastic sheet from the top and make the cuts in desired shape. Again, you have to do this while the mixture is still warm. If it cools down, you won't be able to make the cuts because then it becomes hard and crispy. Now I finished making the cuts on one side and doing it the other way around to give it a diamond kind of a shape. Once you have done the cuts, let this chikki cool down for 15 to 20 minutes and then start removing the pieces. If while removing you find the chikki is still sticky, then leave it for another few minutes and then remove the pieces. Look how thin and crispy this Tilgul Chikki is. You can easily remove it from the plate, and this is because we had covered the plate with a plastic underneath. If you don't use the plastic underneath, then this chikki will stick to the plate and it will be very difficult to remove it from the plate. So the Tilgul Chikki or Tilgul Patti is now ready. Let's break it and see how thin and crispy this is. You can see that it easily breaks with your hands, and so it is not tough at all. The crispiest Tilgul Chikki or Tilgul Patti is now ready. Hope you have liked the recipe.